guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I love to put black beans in tons of different recipes for a little extra protein and fiber and a delicious flavor. So I want to show you this one. These are Bush's Best reduced sodium black beans, and I love these because they're a big flavor booster and these are reduced sodium, so it helps to cut down on the salt in your recipe and be able to kind of control the salt level the way that you like. So these are perfect because they're very simple and a quick way to add your black beans to whatever you're cooking. So I like to make all kinds of things with these. I even like to just rinse them and throw them on top of like a taco salad or something like that. They're also really good if you're making soup, and in this recipe I'm making a chicken soup with these black beans and it came out delicious. So if you're looking to stock your pantry with a nice quality can of black beans that have a lower sodium content, then I would definitely check out these from Bush's Best. They've been a really great addition to my pantry and my recipes, and that is my point of view.